Hi family, you're welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you all a very wonderful recipe that is better off than rice water. Do well to watch to the end of the video so you don't miss out on this recipe. If you're new here, you're welcome. My name is Muna, and in my channel, I share with you all healthy tips and tricks on how to grow a healthy hair. I also share a little bit of feminine hygiene and beauty. So consider subscribing it here to join the family. And do not forget to press the bell button so you get notified whenever I post. So let's get started. So our first ingredient is going to be rice. Here I'll be using white rice. You can use any rice at your disposal. Rice contains amino acid called Inositol, which helps in the regeneration of hair and faster growth of hair. Rice water also contains vitamin B, C, and E, which further helps in hair growth. And it also has other benefits in that it detangles the hair and makes hair smoother. I'm also going to be making use of orange peel. Orange peel juice can be used on the scalp to reduce dandruff and also oily conditions. It also conditions and cleans the scalp. I'm also going to be making use of onion. Onion contains sulfur, which helps in strengthening our strands and also helps in collagen production. I'm also going to be making use of rosemary. Rosemary herbs contains rosmaric acid that helps stimulate blood flow to the scalp, and rosemary has been proven to be one of the best DHT blocking herbs that also aids in what? It aids in hair growth. Next on the list is going to be our black tea. Black tea helps to block the hormone DHT that is responsible for excessive hair shedding. It also nourishes and strengthens our delicate strands. So black tea is very, very essential when you want to reduce excess shedding. I'm also going to be using a glass jar, needing a glass jar and then an applicator bottle. So the first thing I'm going to do now is to put my rice in a bowl. I'm going to be putting my rice in a bowl, and then the first step is to wash our rice thoroughly. This rice water recipe with this mixture is going to help you. It's going to help your hair. Combining all rosemary, black tea, onions into this rice water recipe, it makes it better off than just rice water. So now I'm going to be washing it like so. I'm rubbing it now on my palm. Don't just shake it. No, that's not the way. But rub it thoroughly in between your palms like that in order to remove excess dirt in your rice. So after washing my rice, I'm now ready. I got a clean pot. Here I'll be adding 2 cupfuls of water inside the cup now like so. I'll be adding 2 cupfuls. Please make sure you use very clean water. Please, I beg you. Do not use hard water. Use very clean water for this recipe. This recipe will help strengthen your hair strands, reduce breakage. After adding the water, I went ahead now to add my rosemary herbs. Then I'll be adding my black tea now into the water at the same time. Then I'll be giving it a thorough stir like so. I'll be giving it a thorough stir. Stir all the herbs, both herbs together into the water. And then I'll be adding my washed rice. I'll be adding my washed white rice now into the water of rosemary and black tea. So I'll be mixing everything now together like so. This recipe is better off than rice water because rice water is just rice water, but this one, adding all the herbs into it will give it added benefits. And imagine adding onion into rice water. You will see how double that benefit will be. Onion contains sulfur, which is very, very needed for our hair strands. And onions, aside that, onion juice also helps to stimulate blood flow to the scalp. So after mixing both, I'm going to be leaving it for some minutes. I'll leave it for at least 5 to 10 minutes. So while I leave that, I'm going to go ahead now to prepare my onion and other ingredients I'll be needing. So now I'll be taking care of preparing my onion. I'll be taking off the peel from the onion. I'll be taking off the peel to get my onion ready. Please do not throw away the peel. I'll be showing you in another video what you can use the onion peel for. So take off the peel, clean your onions very, very well. Onion is very effective and very good for the hair. It's very effective to reduce excess shedding and breakage. So I've done my onion now. I've also went ahead to peel my oranges. Now I'll be grating my onion. I'll be grating some of the onion. I'm not going to grate all of the onion. I'm going to grate some and then I won't grate the other. I will just slice the other into smaller pieces. So I'm done grating. After grating my onion, I'm going to be extracting the onion juice like now with the aid of a sieve. So I'm going to be sieving out the onion juice because we need the onion juice as well. So I'm going to be sieving it off now. Try to sieve it out very well. You can use a cheesecloth. You can use if you have maybe a handkerchief, you can also make use of that. But just endeavor to sieve up their juice, get it out. So that's the amount of onion juice I got, and then the rest I chopped into smaller pieces, and then I will have our orange peel ready. So now I've placed our pots containing the rice, the black tea, and then the rosemary herbs. I've placed them now on the heater or stove or your gas. Stir thoroughly. Now that process of allowing it to stay a little bit will help it do what infuse together. So I left it for 15 minutes and now I'm now going ahead now to add our orange peel. I'll add our onion juice and then every other ingredient remaining. I'm going to be adding everything into our pot. So I'll be adding our onion, the grated onion now. So I'll be adding everything now into the pot like so. Then give it a very, very good stir. Give it a very, very good stir. Stir it thoroughly. Stir it very well to combine, to mix. And then you cover the pot and put on your heat. So you cover. So I've put on the heat now. You just be making sure that you keep watching it. So it is already boiling, like you can see. This smells heavenly, like it smells so good. So you stir it now. So stir it now thoroughly like so. It's already boiled and you can see the color change. You can see everything has infused and they've released all their goodness into this rice water. So after that, I left it in again a little bit and then I'll be bringing it down. It's okay. Then I've sieved it
Time.
off
So this
now
is
like
a
so. I left it
liquid now
down a
with
little
rice
bit
water
and
and
now this
everything here.
application time.
So now I'm going to be spritzing it. You can just spritz it at once on your strands, or you loosen one strand like so. Just loosen. Pause it, pause it. You spray. Massage it. And then twist it down like this. down like so. So it's either you loosen it like this or you just spray it directly on every part of your hair. Then you can go ahead to apply your butter, your leave-in, and all that. So that's all. Please let me know in the comment section if you're going to try this, and if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please do well to subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to turn on the post notification. Also give this video a thumbs up, like and share this video with your friends and family. So thank you all so much for watching. God bless you for the love and support you always show to me. I really do appreciate it so much. So thank you all, guys. See you all in the next video. Bye bye.